Do you know about an option in New Outlook that will make finding important messages so much easier? Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer trainer here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. Well, if you're anything like me, you get lots of emails, and it gets to the point where when something important comes in, it's really easy to miss it or misplace it. Fortunately, New Outlook, that also of course means Outlook Mobile and Outlook on the web, has a facility to help. It's quite simply pin. Find the email, or when the email comes in, you can choose to either click on the little push pin that you get in the desktop. If you can't see it, you can also right click and you will see that there is a pin option. If right clicking isn't your thing, there is also pin available on the ribbon. So to use it, it's quite simple. Select the email, select the pin command. Now when you're at the top, you can see there's a new section called pinned, and the email that you were looking for is right there. And that's it. Those emails that come in, maybe they are travel information, maybe they're tasks that you need to do. For whatever reason, emails that you need to make sure that you can see quickly and easily can just be pinned at the top. You can do everything that you do normally with them, mark them red, forward them. They're just standard emails, nothing different, except they're at the top of the screen. When you're done, please do remember to choose unpin. So click the pin button again, whichever method you want. Unpin them. They return back to their regular position based on how you have it sorted. And that's it. Never lose an important email again. Keep them pinned at the top of your list. If you found this a useful tip, then please do give the video a thumbs up and remember to subscribe and click the notification bell to be told as more tips are available on my channel. Bye for now.